Hey everyone, it's Ed, your faceless YouTuber, still here with dirty hands and a happy heart, sharing my 10-year journey with cactus and succulents. In today's episode, we're diving into something I wish I had when I first started. The best beginner-friendly succulents and cacti. Low-maintenance picks that are hard to kill, easy to love, and perfect for anyone growing plants in the USA. Whether you're growing indoors in New York, outdoors in California, or in a small Texas apartment window, these plants are tried and tested favorites. Number 1. Jade plant, Crassula ovata. Super forgiving, doesn't mind neglect, and grows like a mini tree. Personal story. My first jade plant was left on a windowsill for a whole month. Came back tougher than ever. I named it Bruce. You know, like Bruce Willis in Die Hard. Ideal for bright windows, especially in apartments. Number 2. Aloe vera. Not just a plant, it's a natural first aid kit. Keeps growing with minimal care and even produces pups you can repot. USA tip. Grows great in sunny southern states like Arizona, Texas, and Florida. Number 3. Haworthia, aka zebra plant. Cute, compact, and thrives in indirect light, perfect for desks, shelves, and low-light corners. Bonus. Rarely stretches like other succulents. A loyal little soldier. Number 4. Barrel cactus, Ferocactus. Classic round cactus, thrives on sunlight and neglect. Survives intense heat and drought, a real desert warrior. USA tip, great for outdoor gardens in Nevada, New Mexico, or Southern California. Number 5. Ghost plant, Graptopetalum paraguayense. Has this dreamy, powdery color that changes with light. Super easy to propagate, drop a leaf, and boom, baby plants. Tip, perfect for beginners who want that Pinterest aesthetic. Number 6. Echeveria, the Instagram darling. Rosette-shaped, comes in many colors, and loves the sun. Personal story. I used to call it the lettuce plant, until mine bloomed and I knew it was magic. Warning, needs plenty of light or it'll stretch. Number 7. Opuntia, aka prickly pear cactus. Native to the Americas and thrives in harsh conditions, even edible in some varieties. USA bonus, common in desert states and super easy to grow outdoors. Number 8. Kalanchoe, bright flowers, easy care, and tolerates dry conditions. Good for indoors in cold climates or outdoor pots in warmer zones. Trivia. A variety known is called as the mother of thousands because of how it self-propagates. Number 9. Snake plant, Sansevieria. Not a true succulent, but it's just as tough. Thrives in low light, low water, and thrives on neglect. Bonus. NASA approved for air purification. Number 10. Moon cactus, Gymnocalycium mihanovicii. Eye-catching, colorful grafted cactus that's a great starter statement plant. USA tip, best indoors near a window with filtered light. Personal story, my daughter picked one because it looked like a Pokeball, still alive 5 years later. A quick recap of today's plant heroes. Jade plant, aloe vera, haworthia, barrel cactus, ghost plant, echeveria, opuntia, kalanchoe, snake plant, moon cactus. Start with just 1 or 2 of these, and before you know it, you'll have a thriving, low-maintenance garden that'll make even non-plant folks stop and stare. Mini challenge. Go to your local nursery or garden center and see which of these you can find. Tag me or drop a comment with your favorite. That wraps up part 11. I hope this gave you ideas to start or expand your collection the smart way. Coming up next, in part 12, Q&A special, I'll be answering your most asked questions about cactus and succulent care, from overwatering to pest problems and more. You won't want to miss it. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Happy growing!